What's going on, everybody? Do you have trouble sticking to a budget each month? My name's Thomas Hobby. I'm a financial coach, and today I'm going to give you 7 tips on how to stick to your budget each month. Number 1, be realistic on how you divide your budget up. If you set certain categories at too high or too low of amounts, that's just setting yourself up for failure. So make sure that you're budgeting your categories appropriately to give yourself enough room to actually stay on budget for the month. Number 2, set up automatic payments. For everything that you're able to do so, try and set up automatic payments so that you know that money is going to get paid on time every month. This way you're not running into late fees or anything like that. Number 3, create a meal plan. Plan out your meals at home for the week or for the month to help you stay on track with your budget. Think about it. You're sitting at home at night and you realize, I'm not sure what we have for dinner tonight. What's going to be your first instinct? Go get dinner. Call DoorDash, something like that. It's going to cost you extra money rather than if you would have had your meals planned out. You could have just said, I know exactly what we're having for dinner tonight and we have all the ingredients. Boom, it's done. You make your meal, you save yourself money. Number 4, budget in annual expenses. These could be car registrations, annual payments for a gym membership, Christmas, birthdays, things like that that come up once a year that can throw off your budget for a month if you don't have that planned in. Make sure you check out my video on the top 10 annual payments that most people forget to include in their budget to learn more about this topic. Number 5, learn to say no. This can actually be a really difficult thing to do. You want to spend that time with friends, go to the movies, go out to dinner, things like that. But if it's not in your budget, you have to learn to say no so that you don't continue to overspend. Number 6, get rid of credit cards. Credit cards will only continue to throw off your budget each month, meaning you don't have that credit card bill planned in your monthly budget, so it's probably going to throw you off again for the next month. This can create a downward spiral in terms of finances and really mess you up for a long time. Get rid of the credit cards as soon as you can. I made another video on how to get rid of credit cards that you should check out if you're struggling with this area. Number 7, this is the most important one. Make sure that you're having a budget meeting every month. If you're married, you need to be sitting down with your spouse to have this meeting together and plan out your budget for the upcoming month before the month actually starts. If you're single, it's okay to plan the budget out on your own, but make sure you sit down with someone who can be an accountability partner who loves you enough to be able to tell you, I don't think you should spend that much in food, or I think you're underestimating how much this is actually going to cost you each month, and help you to make sure you don't get blindsided by something in your budget. As always, if you need help in any of these areas, make sure you contact me so we can set up a consultation and get you the help that you need. In the meantime, please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys next time.